Good morning, you guys, and welcome to the first weekend vlog of Vlogmas. So today is Saturday, December 1st, the first day of Vlogmas. Still don't have my video filmed for today. Working on that. Working on getting my room in shape because it is not ready for Vlogmas. I, very last minute decided I was doing Vlogmas this year, and it's been a hot mess. So I'm just sitting down to edit some footage I found on this camera from July, and hoping I can make a video out of that, but I'm not entirely sure what it was. I found this camera in my car after, I hadn't seen it since July, and I was like, ooh, what's this footage? So I'm about to look and see what that is, and then finish cleaning my room and maybe film. I do have my filming corner kind of set up. You can see my tree, my chair's behind it, but I have like a ton of laundry to put away. I updated my letterboard, I made my bed, but that's about it. So today is like Vlogmas prep day, plus I have a ton of errands to run, and so it'll be an interesting day. So check back in a little bit. Alright, so I'm ready. I planned this week's Vlogmas videos. I've not filmed any of them yet, but I am dressed and ready. Don't know what I'm going to do right now. I have a lot of errands to run today. I don't want to film yet because it's still kind of gloomy outside and I don't want to have to just use my studio light, so I'm trying to figure out what I need to do. But right now I'm just gonna have some breakfast and chill out for a little bit, and I'll check back in once I'm out and about running errands. Alright, so it's a lot later now. Last time you saw me I was at Bath & Body Works, and that was at like 9:30, and it is now 3:30. I just filmed my classroom haul, which went up on Sunday, and I'm thinking I'm gonna go back to the mall right now and start doing some Christmas shopping. I was only there this morning for Bath & Body Works for candle sale, but I will show you what all I got at candle sale right now. Move all this stuff out of the way. Also, I love the ornaments and the new font for the holiday bags. So cute. I miss working at Bath & Body Works. So I got this little penguin bag that I'm going to use to wrap one of Cameron's gifts. I don't know what. I haven't bought her any gifts yet, but I thought this bag was cute. And then I only got 5 candles, so I will show you which ones they are. I got, this one is Cranberry Pear Bellini. So I got that. That's one of my favorites, and I only have minis of it right now, so I bought 2. So there's the first one. And I want to say this is the second one. Yep, 2 of those. I bought a Twisted Peppermint because I only have 1 of those, and it's not pink, the one I have, so I wanted a pink one. That's just me being weird. I bought a Marshmallow Fireside, which I adore Marshmallow Fireside. And then this is a new one to me. This one is Mahogany Balsam, and so it's kind of an in-between of Mahogany Teakwood and Fresh Balsam, and I really, really like it, and I feel like it's one that, my mom will be less offended by the Mahogany Teakwood because she's not a huge fan of Mahogany Teakwood when I burn it at home. So I only have 1 Mahogany Teakwood and I don't really burn it, but I think this one is a little less manly, and so she would be okay with me burning it more often. Not that she tells me I can't burn Mahogany Teakwood, I still burn it, but it's, trying to be courteous while I'm still living here, though it won't be for too much longer, I hope, and there will be updates on that eventually. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get ready, and I'll check in with you guys when I'm at the mall. Hello. So, long time no see. I am really bad at vlogging in public now. I've always been bad, but I'm worse now, so I didn't really vlog while I was out. Went to the mall, didn't really do much damage. I bought 2 Christmas presents and some things for me. Oops. So I'll show you the things I got for me really quick. That's a Christmas present. I got myself this cup for work that says, "Y'all gonna make me lose my mind up in here, because I decided that's, what my new work cup needs to be. And then got myself a bracelet, a little Scorpio bracelet that on one side, I don't know if it'll focus, on one side says Scorpio, and on the other has the constellation. So I thought that was really cute, and then that's a Christmas present. And then I went to Target, and just picked myself up the newest Cosmo and a mini size of the Bliss Mighty Marshmallow face mask for me to use today. And then I went and I rented Crazy Rich Asians. I ordered some wings. Those are on their way. Filmed today's video in front of the Christmas tree because we're a little bit decorated for Christmas. I think I'm going to do a holiday home tour. So I'm not going to show you guys too much of the Christmas decorations. But yeah, so I'm just kind of chilling right now, waiting for my food. My sister just called me, so I'm going to call her back. But that's all I know. Cameron, say again what you just said.
Wait, which part? All of it? I don't think I could describe the color green to a colorblind person. Because if they were to ask...
She's having a whole existential crisis about this because she opened the Crazy Rich Asians disc and was like, this is so pretty. And then now she's just distraught.
But like, I can't describe the color green to someone who can't see colors because I'd be like, oh, it's like the trees, but then they can't see the colors of the trees. And I can't say it's a combination of blue and yellow because what if they can't see blue or yellow?
So basically, unless they're only red-green colorblind, she's screwed. Which is fine because Grandpa's only red-green colorblind, so it's okay. Oh, you're okay, Cameron. You only know one colorblind person.
This essay has fried my brain.
Anyway, I'm editing this video and I don't know what's going on, so I'm gonna try and figure out what's going on with my computer because now I just am stressed by this. Alright, so it is like 10:30. I've just been downstairs curled up on the couch watching a movie, like falling asleep. So now I'm going to climb into my bed, which is so prettily made right now that I don't want to, but I need to sleep. I didn't end up finishing my room. So you can see I still have a lot of stuff to deal with, and there's laundry all over my filming chair. So that's a thing. And I do need to film like an actual sit-down video tomorrow. But today's video is uploaded. Tomorrow's video just needs to be edited, which I can do that in the morning. Then I need to film Mondays. This is Tuesdays. So I'm already doing okay. I'm doing fine. But I will check in with you guys in the morning. Happy Sunday. I am currently editing today's video. There it is. And having my breakfast. And then I'm gonna get ready and go to rehearsal, so I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Alright, so I finished editing my video. It is uploading. For some reason I can't schedule on YouTube right now, which is really weird. I'm wondering if they took that away when they took away my partner status and I just didn't notice it because I've been uploading right on time. But whatever. I finished my breakfast. I'm drinking my coffee, watching some Kaylee Jean, doing a face mask. This is the Bliss Mighty Marshmallow. So doing that right now. Just kind of having some chill time before I go and shower and get ready for rehearsal. It is 9:04. I have to be out in the city at noon. So I'm just kind of dragging my feet a little, but that's what I'm doing so far. Alright, so I'm clean. Still haven't finished my coffee. My computer shut off while it was uploading, but it did finish uploading, so my classroom haul is live. And I have like less than an hour until I have to leave, so I gotta kind of get the ball rolling, but having a good morning so far, so I'll check in with you guys when I'm on the road.
Hello, got you?
Yeah, can I get carne asada fries, but instead of carne asada, can I get chicken and no guacamole? And then a side of rice?
Okay, and you?
That's it.
Okay, 989, thank you.
Thank you. Hello everybody, it is like 11:40. I just got to rehearsal. ate my food in my car. I have no idea how long this rehearsal is gonna go. Supposedly only until 6, but who knows? So I'm gonna head in, I guess. I'm so tired. I didn't film my video for tomorrow yet. And I twisted my ankle running to my car. And it's a hot mess of a day. So I'm trying to get through it. I have chicken stuck in my retainer and I can feel it. So I'm gonna go deal with that. And then I'm gonna rehearse. So I'll check in with you at some point today. Alright, so rehearsal is done. I'm just leaving. I just exited this door. I got the best parking spot. I'm so happy. But I'm heading to go run some errands for my mom. And I'll probably check in with you guys when I'm at Target. But now I've got a long drive ahead of me. And there will probably be traffic. But it's Sunday, so maybe not. So I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. So it's been like an hour since I checked in last. It looks like it's midnight, but it's only been an hour, I promise. I'm just leaving Target. I ended up doing my grocery shopping for the whole week, getting back on track for Tone It Up for whatever the holiday challenge is. Was not planning on participating. And then I was like, you know what? No, I'm going to. I need to get back on track. Vlogmas and my fitness journey back on track. So I'm changing my video from tomorrow. Tomorrow was supposed to be my November favorites. But I changed my mind. It's going to be my grocery haul for tonight, and then I'll do my November favorites sometime later this week. It'll go up, but not tomorrow, which is perfect because it's really dark out right now and I don't want to get out my filming light. So I'm gonna go home, film that haul, make some dinner, check in with you guys then. It is 7:30. I filmed like a really weak ass grocery haul. Like it's like 2 minutes long. But I figured I'm gonna do that as my like getting back on track video. I'm gonna film a little intro to it right now actually. To kind of like prep it's why it's so short. But I ate dinner. I had the you would have seen yesterday in the haul that I got the frozen veggie pasta things. I had one that was penne and cheddar, and so I thought it was really yummy. And then I prepped some smoothies for the week. They are banana, strawberry, chocolate toned up protein, spirulina, amazing grass, detox greens, and almond milk and almond butter. Super good. I had to taste it a little bit to get them cleaned up before I put the lids on, and they were really good. So I'm gonna go upstairs and edit a little, and I'll check back in with you guys. Alright guys, it's about 8 o'clock. I am just watching some YouTube videos. I am uploading tomorrow's video. I decided to have it go live at 11. I'm just gonna kind of try different times during Vlogmas and just kind of see what happens. This morning I uploaded at like 9. Yesterday I uploaded at 8, so I'm just kind of trying different things to see what I like for Vlogmas. Kind of the nice thing about this first week is I'm just kind of easing my way into it. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here so I can edit it and get that uploaded so that I don't feel stressed about that as the week goes on, because I don't have a lot of time to get other things done, and I'm gonna have to film at some point for the rest of this week. I don't know when I'm gonna do that. The rest of these videos this week might be very vlog style, which is totally fine. It's Vlogmas. It should be vlogs, so that's okay. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here, and I will see you guys tomorrow, and also next Tuesday with another weekend vlog. Bye!